my God, Constable Els is drunk again. Look up the books Tom Sharp, Riotous Assembly, set in South Africa where you have a drunken, womanizing constable of the South African police. His name is Els, and his commander is Commandant Hertzgoff, I think it is. And it's the funniest book you've ever read in your life. And essentially that's what I'm playing off here. Els, what's wrong with you, boy? Look at him. He's smiling, the bastard. What's he done to make him smile so much? As if you'd like to know.